These instructions are of a general nature and are designed to assist suitably experienced tradesmen install composition to a high standard. Autex recommends that all persons engaged in the installation have full knowledge of the product and installation procedure as set out in the most recent edition of the manufacturer's instructions and related documents. Before starting installation of composition acoustic fabric, please check the materials have been supplied as ordered and are free from damage and faults. Where multiple rolls are required, it is important that all the batch numbers on the product match, due to batch color variations. Any variations must be communicated to Autex prior to starting the installation. Composition must be transported, stored, and handled with care. Avoid delamination or distortion, and protect edges from being crushed. Do not accept damaged rolls. Always transport and store composition rolls standing up on a flat, clean, dry surface. Do not lay the rolls on their sides or crush, as this can cause creases in the fabric finish. To avoid soiling, clean cloth gloves are ideal when handling composition. Before work commences, remove cover plates, light fittings, and other fixtures as the work proceeds. Ensure all joins, gaps, and cracks in the substrate are taped with proprietary sealing tape. All surfaces must be clean, dust-free, and dry, as dust and moisture will adversely affect the adhesive and may result in lack of adhesion. Composition has a pile and must be installed with the fabric pile running in the same direction to avoid the appearance of color variations. The pile direction is marked by arrows on the back of the product. We recommend that the pile runs down. In addition to checking the directional arrows, the pile direction can be checked by lightly running your hand up, then down the fabric. If using a rigid profile for framing perimeter, this must be fixed and glued to the substrate before measuring and hanging the lengths of composition. Make sure the profile is square. You may use one of the following profile styles. Composition is supplied as 82-foot rolls. Ensure you spend some time to plan the layout of the drops, making sure there is an even appearance across wall. Cut widths should be at each end of the wall and be of similar width. Start with full widths first. We recommend that you measure twice and cut once. Always cut composition using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge to ensure a straight and smooth cut. Autex recommend using a spray-on contact type adhesive for applying composition to most common substrates, including new and existing plasterboard, concrete block, plywood, MDF, and particle board. Please check with the Autex representative in your region to confirm the recommended brand of adhesive. Adhesive should be applied strictly in accordance with the adhesive manufacturer's instructions. Refer to the product label or the technical data sheet for spread rates, tack-off times, application methods, and equipment required. Both surfaces must have adhesive applied. Making sure it's hung square, composition should be hung from the top down, smoothing outwards whilst maintaining pressure towards any joins. Allow 2 inches overhang on perimeters. Immediately after the drop is hung and in the correct position, roll with a hand roller to ensure adequate transfer of adhesive and a strong bond is formed. Small wallpaper and vinyl rollers must not be used. A wide roller approximately 4 to 6 inches is ideal. After each drop is hung, run a hook knife along edges to trim away the excess and allow a tight fit against trim. Continue with remaining lengths, remembering to measure each length twice before cutting. When applying composition to external corners, carefully fold the sheet around the corner, maintaining a constant and firm pressure, then roll out towards edges. Adhesive spills or fabric surface contamination should be cleaned immediately following the Autex Interior Acoustics Care and Maintenance Guide. On completion, leave work secure, smooth, and free of air bubbles, wrinkles, gaps, stains, and blemishes. Clean adjoining surfaces of any adhesive. Remove debris, unused materials, and waste from site.